Assalamu alaikum. I am Talha. I am computer science student at the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. I learned coding 2 years ago, and even after 2 years, I couldn't figure out how to make web development my career. I was hesitant in applying at different firms and software houses. Then I heard about TechloSet Bootcamp 3.0. I applied and got selected for the interview round. The interview process was very smooth and the staff was very professional. They were kind enough to provide me with the opportunity of working at home. They first started polishing our front-end skills by giving us projects that included latest and popular technologies like React, React Native and Tailwind. After that, they started polishing our background in backend development. They gave us projects like Firebase and MongoDB, Node.js and Express.js. And after 3 months, I can strongly say that I have become a better developer overall. And I would totally suggest this Bootcamp 3.0 to people like me who are struggling in the web development career and want to polish skills like me. Thank you.